Guys, so Pecron just sent this over to me. It is absolutely amazing. There are larger versions, but this is perfect since we have a little tiny home on wheels. So what it is it's a power pack, and what you can do is charge your USBs along with your traditional plugs and take it along with you. You can recharge it by solar panel. If you have one of those, you can hook that up to it and it works just fine. So whenever they had sent it over to us, we brought it out of the box. What you guys are seeing is me opening it up for the first time and testing everything out. It actually is working really awesome. It's gonna have, I think, around 16 hours worth of charge on it, and we're gonna use it for our drones. We're gonna use it whenever we have electronics out in our clam. We can plug our lights into it and not have a trip hazard whenever we plug the cord all the way over, so we can eliminate that cord altogether. I'm really, really excited, and I wanted to share with you guys because they also gave me a discount code. That way I could pass it on to you, and you guys get 10% off too. Definitely check them out. It shipped so incredibly fast, I can't even take it. Definitely get it.